Hello, welcome. We are going to look at how to draw a shaped solid figure from the given orthographic views. Now what we have here are three views in first angle, orthographic views in first angle. First angle, it means we have the plan at the base, the lower part, and then we have the front elevation just above the plan, and then the end elevation is drawn on the left, meaning that particular solid object that we are going to draw is such that it's viewed from the right, the end elevation is viewed from the right for it to be drawn on the left. Now we are going to take X as the lowest point to draw the views in isometric, and the question reads: the above are orthographic views in first angle projection. Draw a solid figure that is in isometric, showing the views given in isometric projection. So let's proceed. I want to show you how we are going to come up with the views in just in a sketchy way, and then we shall be able to draw the given solid that I will have sketched in isometric projection. Now, as I've said, assuming this is the plan, and this is the front elevation, and this is the end elevation, and now we want to draw a solid that is shaped that will be able to represent the following views. It means we can have something like this. I've just made a model, and this one here, I just did it roughly so that at least everybody should be able to do it. It's not something that it's more skill, it needs more skill. It's just a simple thing. So this is just a model. We are assuming that observing an object from top, this is the plan. This is what you see on the plan. And if this is the plan, then we have another model here, that we can put here to represent the front elevation. So if this is the front and this is the plan, it means from top you get to see this stretch, so that this distance from here up to here picks up from here up to here on top. On top view, this distance from here up to here picks up from there up to there. So how do we put it? We'll realize that if you bring this and put it here, okay, this is what we are going to have, like the top, and this is the front. So that means we are going to have something close to that, and therefore if that is the case, it means we can sketch in a way. Let me just do the sketches. We are going to have the front elevation, then we have just picked this plan here, and we said this is our plan, and put it on top of this, but it should fall back, and when it falls back, it comes and picks that position in that manner. There it goes. This stretch is this one here, as you can see, and then it completes this other side. It means we are going to tilt it. Okay, we are tilting it, as you can see here it is, and your front is here. Okay, so that if you combine this and this, picking this distance, let's say this x1, x1, the two should match, and when they match, they give you this. Okay, if they give you that, it means you can complete the sketch by including lines that are available that have not been shown, so you can complete, and this one gives you the solid. And now because this one is giving you the solid, as you said, this end here is the front, this one is the front elevation, we are going to take this as the lowest point. Now, for us to draw this in isometric, it means we are going to first of all draw a straight line, then have point X there, then we have our 30 degree line, then our vertical, so that this side comes here, this other side comes there. And therefore, if that is the case, we shall measure this vertical height here, and then we bring back here, and then this one goes up, and then this one again goes up, and then we complete, and this one here goes, and then we bring that. Then once it goes that way, we are going to ensure it goes and it picks that position. We measure this distance here, just do the measuring. There's no space here, but that is the trend, and therefore we are going to draw this in isometric. Let me just do a rough drawing here, and then we are going to see what to draw. So that is it. As you can see, this is the solid, the shape solid we are going to draw, so that this distance here from here to here, as you can see, we are saying this is the top view, and if this is the top view, it means from here up to here is 25. This one here is 25. Okay, this one here is 25, and therefore we are going to have 25 again. This is 25. Then front elevation, as you can see, this is 25, 25, 25. So it goes all through 25, 25. Okay, and then now the whole of this is 60. It means it's a cube that has been shaped. So this 60, 60, 60. So it's like we are going to draw a full block of 60, and then 60 by 60 by 60. Then we do the cutting or the shaping by cutting out the irrelevant part, the inner one. So by guided by the 25 millimeter thickness, we come up with a solid object. So this is what we're going to draw to scale. Now let's proceed and see how we are going to draw it. We can open our new page and start the drawing. So we've said we are going to draw, first of all, to imagine we have drawn a box. We are imagining we are drawing a box, and now for so we can draw this straight line here where we are going to put our X. We just draw the straight line, then we can say let our X be there. We can call it X. Then of course we are going to have that degree line. Let me use the protractor. We may use the 30 degree set square, or we just measure that angle there, 30 degree. But I do recommend the use of the set square because it's already designed to measure the angle. So again, on this other side we need 30 degree. Okay, so you're going to have the lines, isometric lines through that point, then again isometric lines, like we are going to draw a block that measures 60 by 60. Then we can draw the vertical. Draw the vertical here. So we are going to measure 60 on all the sides. So in this case we have 60 here, This is 60. 60 on this other side. And again 60 on this other side. 60, 60, 60, giving us a block. Now we can complete that block because it is out of which we are going to do the cutting or the shaping to be able to come up with the shaped object that gives us the views that we've just had. So this one, now remember, because we are not using the two set squares that are supposed to be used, we are just going to draw this line to be parallel to this other side, because this line is 30 degrees. If we could have used the two set squares, the 30 degree set square could be easier, but still you can still draw a parallel line from there, beginning from here. Let's just put it somewhere here. Okay, we realign, then we bring that line to start from there. That is 30 degree. Then again this line, okay, we can put it this way. This line again to be parallel, just bring there, draw it, then you complete this, then again complete this. That's a cube. It's a cube. There it goes. Then again this line and this one are parallel. I'll still bring this. You realign, then you draw that. Okay, then again this one here is parallel from here. This other one, you can bring this, look for this. There it is. So you just draw it. So you just complete. To give you the cube. Now once you have had that, we can measure 25 so that we cut 25, okay, the thickness. So just come and measure 25 using this. You can have, this is 25, so this is 25, but this is 25, so we are going to draw this line parallel to that. 25 again, this one is 25, it goes. Now again on this other side, we need this one here parallel to this from here. Now we have drawn, we have drawn this and that from here. Okay, now we can draw this. the 25 from here up to here again, the same distance. I can still pick this 25, okay, then just bring it here. Here's 25, this 25 here. You can bring it here or here. So we can have it there. Then you draw a vertical. So there it goes. Once you have that, it's like we have already gotten this, so you finish up the top. How do you finish the top? Draw this line parallel to that, this line here, it's parallel, bring it here, complete. Okay, now once we are there, again you need to have this side, another 25. So again you take your 25. Remember we're using this 25, we're using this 25, so you bring it here, that's 25. So once you have that 25, this line is parallel to that, and just bring this real line, and we want it to be keen from there. Then we draw it. Okay, now once it's done, you can see we can drop it down. This side to drop down. This one we can use your vertical edge and your ruler or a D-square. Let it come. So now we want this corner here. How do you get it? It means we are going to draw a line from here parallel to that, and then another line from here parallel to that. Where the two meet gives us this corner. Easier. So what we do, just draw this line parallel to that from here. We can first of all realign again. Okay, then come from here, let it go. Then again from this other side parallel to that. Very simple. We can still take this starting from the corner here. So there it goes. We can complete by now joining the vertical. Now this we are going to use full lines to be able to draw what we need. So just come and complete this. We draw that, we draw this, draw that, and draw this. this corner here. Remember, there are lines which are going to remain construction lines. We are going to have those ones that are going to be visible or outlines. They should not confuse you. Just be sure you draw the right lines. Then we complete this side. And lastly, but not least, have that and this. So as you can see, that's what we are supposed to draw as a shaped solid figure that represents the views as we've been given in our question. Thank you very much for attending to the lesson. Consider subscribing.